Thanks to the SharePoint Mobile App, you can access your SharePoint sites and documents on the go. The app works with modern iOS and Android tablets and phones. Typically, the SharePoint app works best when installed with companion apps used for viewing and editing files, such as OneDrive, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. When you start the SharePoint app, you can choose to connect to SharePoint Online or your organization's internal SharePoint server. For your internal SharePoint, enter the web address of your organization's server. Note, your device may need to be connected to your work network. Check with your IT support team for details. After logging on using your work credentials, you'll see the SharePoint sites you've recently visited. Note the buttons down below. Besides sites, there's links, which show suggested sites promoted by your organization. In addition, there's People, which shows the colleagues you follow in your newsfeed. And speaking of following, back in Sites, there's the list of your favorite sites you followed as well. Just tap to open a site. In the center, you'll see the site's recent activity, which you can swipe through to browse around. This activity list includes recent documents edited by your team, and you can tap Document Names to open a preview. Back in the site's activity, note the links along the side. These are the same quick launch links you see when viewing the site in a desktop browser. For example, here's the site's document library. The SharePoint app uses other apps to help you manage files and edit documents. For example, tap to open the document library, and the OneDrive app launches. OneDrive is optimized to manage files, but for editing documents, presentations, and spreadsheets, Office companion apps are used. So we'll tap a presentation, and the PowerPoint app launches. Most of the basic editing commands are here. Let's make some changes, which are saved back to SharePoint. Back in the SharePoint app, if you can't find something, notice the search up top. Type in a term, and the app will find matching sites, files, and even people with profile information matching the term. So, along with its companion apps, the SharePoint app connects you with you and your team's documents and information on the go.